Hi, my name is Matt from Prioto, and today I want to talk to you about what Prioto is. So the contents for today is an introduction to Prioto. I'm going to give you some examples of how Prioto can benefit your sector. I'm going to explain how Prioto is actually delivered into projects. I'd like to summarize, and then I'll give you some time for some questions and answers. So firstly, what is Prioto? Prioto is a commercial building management solution, providing simple, cost-effective facility management technology. So we believe that a building should improve the user's experience without adding any complexity, and a Prioto system ensures the building is being used as efficiently as possible, reducing your carbon footprint and saving you money. Prioto is split into two different areas. So firstly, there's the hardware element, and secondly, the software element. So for the hardware, what this is essentially the hardware which is installed into the facility to give customers, staff, end users the experience of controlling the building in a simple and intuitive way. On top of this, there's the software element, which is how the building is logging all the data that's happening inside of it, and also the option to have an app or a user interface to control certain aspects of the building. Prioto looks to do four things. So firstly, what it looks to do is improve the control of the building. So it's to simplify the control elements to make sure that it's intuitive for all users. Secondly, what we look to do is automate where we can. So simple and effective automation can take care of some of the tasks throughout the building. From there, we can monitor everything that's happening as well. So what the Prioto system looks to do is to monitor all the various aspects of data coming back from a facility to give facilities management a very clear overview on how the building is being used. This can then be used to alert if there's anything untoward spotted. So for example, if there's a leak or a very low temperature noticed in one of the buildings, we can alert facilities management to this. Prioto is designed to offer something in many different sectors, including retail, the emergency services, multi-site businesses, assisted living facilities, sports facilities, and the hospitality sector. Prioto for multi-site business. Prioto enables a single management interface to be used for monitoring and controlling all of your sites. Prioto collates data from all of these sites, including live data, and also logs historical data. This can help spot trends, and you can adjust settings to optimize all the buildings that your business works from to enhance the performance of these buildings. So some good examples of how Prioto can enhance any multi-site business. An intelligent universal facilities shutdown. So combining automation with motion sensors to make sure the building isn't still being used, and some scheduling. What Prioto can do is make sure that the building isn't being left consuming large amounts of energy overnight when nobody's actually there. This can also allow facilities management to have a much simpler shutdown. So if they do decide that they need to shut the offices down, or it's the end of the day and nobody's left there, a single button can be delivered probably in a secure area with only facilities management having access to that. But this can just give the entire operation a single push shutdown button. So a single push of a button can shut the entire offices down. This simplifies processes, so it doesn't make it super complex for people who have to do this, or there needs to be a big handover when staff change and you have a new facilities manager looking after the offices. Another great example for multi-site businesses is the advanced data monitoring that Prioto can provide. Prioto offers a unique ability to centrally monitor the data of multiple sites in one user interface. This can enable the head office or whoever's in charge of facilities management an overview of things like the energy usage, temperatures, occupancy, and many other essential bits of data. This data can be seen live, but it can also be tracked historically as well. On top of this, what Prioto can provide is any alerts on any mission critical issues such as leaks, low air quality, fire, and so on. So this means facilities management can act swiftly in solving any problems that do arise. Up to 30% of the energy consumed by commercial buildings is wasted. This is obviously a pretty big number. What Prioto does first and foremost is reduce energy waste. Another great example of Prioto in a multi-site business application will be temperature control. So accurate temperature control ensures staff are comfortable. Recent studies have shown that a hot employee is 25% less productive than a comfortable one. Equally, a cold employee is not performing optimally as well. So monitoring the control of temperature is really essential in making sure that staff are going to be productive. What Prioto can also provide is global set point control. So, for example, central facilities managers can provide a single global set point across all of the sites that the business is running. This means as staff are moving from one site to the next, they know that they're going to experience exactly the same working environment in all of the buildings. To summarize, Prioto should be the go-to solution for facilities managers who look after businesses across multiple sites. Prioto will increase the comfort for your staff using your facilities, and it will also provide your facility managers with much better data and much better information back from the multiple business sites you're running. Prioto will reduce your energy waste, Prioto will reduce your carbon footprint, and Prioto will save you money. I would now like to explain to you how Prioto is actually delivered. So for successful project delivery, we will work with you through the 4 key stages of the project. Firstly, consultation. The Prioto team will work with the facilities managers to understand your requirements and provide expert advice on how to maximize the benefits of Prioto. Next, we'll go away and design a system. So we will create a feature specification to explain how the system is going to work and design all the relevant hardware and software parts for this as well. The next stage is going to be the installation. So Prioto have a wide network of skilled installers who will carry out the physical installation of all the required hardware. Any software and IT setup will also be delivered by the Prioto team. From here, we can offer ongoing maintenance. So this is to maintain any of the physical hardware that's installed in the facility and obviously offer technical support as well to facilities management and users. So to summarize, the Prioto system will reduce your energy wastage, reduce your carbon footprint, and save you money. I would like to open up the floor for any questions that you may have on what we've discussed today. Anyway, thank you for listening. If you have any more questions, please let me know.